dancing through the city lights. Heartbeat moving with the radio sound. Feel the velvet groove all around. Slow ride, windows down, golden reflections all over town. Bassline rolling smooth and deep, like a dream you wanna keep. People smiling, worries fade, warm soul rhythm serenade. Every step feels light and free, like the night was made for me. Midnight velvet groove tonight. Everything just feels so right. Smooth soul shining in the air. Love and music everywhere. Let the rhythm heal your mind. Leave the heavy days behind. Close your eyes and drift away. Feel the groove until daylight. City lights are calling my name tonight. Rolling shadows dancing under neon skies. Windows down, let the rhythm take control. Every mile, waking up my soul. Cruising through the midnight avenue, golden mirror shining into blue. Heartbeat moving with the engine sound. Lost no more when the groove comes around. Time keeps running but we never slow. Chasing dreams through the afterglow. Every corner got a story to tell. Riding waves where the spirits dwell. On the midnight soul boulevard, we keep driving through the stars. Feel the fire, feel alive, turning moments into paradise. No looking back, the road is gold. Future shining through the soul. Keep on moving, don't lose sight. We were born to ride the night. Oh. baseline moving under neon skies. Take it slow, feel the groove, let the rhythm carry you. Taxi shadows on the avenue, late night colors shining blue. People walking with easy smiles, lost inside the midnight miles. Warm air floating through the street, soulful drums and dancing feet. Every corner hums a tune underneath the silver moon. No rush, no heavy mind, leave the noisy world behind. Just breathe with the groove tonight, everything will be alright. Deep pocket city lights shining softly through the night. Smooth soul rhythm in the air, sweet love floating everywhere. Feel the heartbeat, slow and deep, like a peaceful summer dream. Let the warm groove set you free, flowing like a melody. Vinyl spinning in the dark, tiny sparks inside the heart.